I know now everybody has like a laptop with their audio workstation on it, and they can like mash out a song, whatever, right? But like 20 years ago, like that wasn't a thing, right? So has this like how has this like new technology like changed the industry or like how things get done? And do you think?
I think the biggest thing is that a lot of people now write songs to track. So you'll do a cool sounding track that has no melody and no words, and you'll then write a song to the track, which is a perfectly good way of writing songs, and tons of hit songs are written that way, and that certainly didn't exist in the old days, where like literally the produced, finished track was written before any song was written over it. So that's kind of how, you know, how technology has kind of changed how we approach songwriting.
Yeah. So do you think that this like AI we just talked about could take like a similar role, like the AI gives you like a melody and then you work with that, and like?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know enough about it. I think that clearly in the stuff that we heard, it seemed very track oriented, what it was generating. You know, I don't know if it also could just generate like a series of notes that you can then just play on any instrument. I don't know enough about it.
And the other thing is, you know, the melody line, no matter where you're getting it from, has to be able to make you go, wow, not just something that's gonna, well, there's a melody, now I'll sing to it. No, it's got to be something that's going to make you crazy, like, that's unbelievable. And you have to go down that path to make it happen. I think technology, like even GarageBand, is great. Time to go. or stay. Anyway, the point is, don't let anything drive you into writing a song. It has to move you first. And when it moves you, that's when you attack it.